Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampatubanfo. Today we're going to study something about perimeter. Perimeter. Example 1. Calculate the perimeter of the figure below. A, B, C, D. AB is 1 kilometer, BC is 600 meters, CD is 800 meters, and DA is 600 meters. Now note, perimeter means the distance around a figure. Note this. Whenever you see a perimeter, it means going around the figure. Going around the figure, like it's like running around a field. It is like running around a field. That's the meaning of perimeter. Keep it in your head. So to solve this one, you first start from here, AB, then BC, then CD, then DA. But first, you have to change 1 kilometer to meters. So note, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So therefore, perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to AB 1,000 meters plus BC 600 meters plus CD 800 meters plus DA 600 meters. So therefore, combining all these numbers, we get 3,000 meters. 1,000 meters plus 600 meters plus 800 meters plus 600 meters gives us 3,000 meters. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell button. If you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I drop new videos, you get it instantly. And if you love this video so much, you can share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you.